Moirori Mudhama Stanley MP. In the Diaspora Affairs and Migrant Workers Committee, the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro CBS MP is to replace the Honorable Sankaire Lea Sopiato MP. Under the Budget and Appropriation Committee, Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Dr. Mugo Edwin Gishuki MP is to replace the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro CBS MP. In the Committee on Powers and Privileges, Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Maina Jane Jerry MP is to replace the Honorable Buire John Okano MP. And the Honorable Ahmed Shakil Shabir MP, Honorable Speaker, is to replace the Honorable Oyo James Onyango MP. In the Committee on National Cohesion and Equal Opportunity, Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Muratha Ann Wanjiko Mugo MP is to replace the Honorable Maina Njeri MP. And the Honorable Orero Peter Ochieng MP is to replace the slot previously held by the late Honorable Charles Were Ongondo. In the Decentralized Funds Accounts, Honorable Speaker, the committee, the Honorable Oyo James Onyango MP is to replace the Honorable Dr. Osogo Bensuda Joyce Atieno MP. And finally, Honorable Speaker, in the Public Accounts Committee, Honorable Speaker, the Honorable Orucho Mary Emase MP is to fill the slot previously held by the Honorable Ruku Geoffrey Karaoke Kiringa MP. Honorable Speaker, you are aware that several changes have occurred in this House. One of our colleagues passed on, and that really, of course, created a gap in the committee that he served. And the other colleague proceeded to serve in other capacities in the executive. The Honorable Roko became the Minister for Labor, and that clearly formed a gap in the committees that he served, and other several changes. And from time to time, Honorable Speaker, the Committee on Selection meets to review the allocation and reallocation of members to several committees, of course, considering several factors, regional balancing, the gender issues, and sometimes even expertise, Honorable Speaker. There is no particular committee that is superior over the other, Honorable Speaker, and members are advised that whenever these committees are placed, whenever these committee positions are proposed, Honorable Speaker, members should take advantage and serve in various committees to gain experience and garner expertise from different sectors, Honorable Speaker. So the Committee on Selection had a sitting this morning, Honorable Speaker, and approved that in the spirit of the midterm that we are enjoying, Honorable Speaker, and working towards the second half of our term, that we reallocate and allocate members in various committees so that they can be able to serve and learn from different committees, Honorable Speaker. But in the same breath, Honorable Speaker, this is not the end. We have just reviewed now, and the committee is also going to sit again in a week or so, or 2 or 3, to review again, because of course we know that there are other seats that are vacant, the by-election that are yet to be announced, and other factors, so that we are able to place members that are also need to serve in various committees. We are aware, Honorable Speaker, that there are some members that still do not have that are still serving up to even 3 select committees. Such is going to be reviewed again in another 2 or 3 weeks. This is not a mean feat, Honorable Speaker. Moving one member, even one member to another committee, to get a replacement, Honorable Speaker, is not a joke. Because you move a member from this committee, you realize you've touched on the region, you've touched on gender, you've affected the question of expertise and seniority and all those other things. And so many other factors, Honorable Speaker. But members are advised to serve in the committees that they are placed, and to gain these expertise as we move forward. So, Honorable Speaker, I beg to move, and I ask the minority party whip, the Honorable Millie Odhiambo, to second. The Honorable Millie Odhiambo to second.
Odhiambo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I stand to second the motion. And Mr. Speaker, I just wish to indicate that I want to agree with the majority whip that indeed when we have this movement from committee to committee is sometimes to ensure that we fill the spaces that were left by members. Like in our case, you find the case of Honorable Ngondo Were, who unfortunately died, and that slot is not filled. And also to ensure gender balance, regional balance. But also, Mr. Speaker, we also have members that have expertise that could be used in other committees. So, Mr. Speaker, even when we move one person who we know has expertise in law from justice to another committee, it's because we can use their expertise in law in another committee. There are certain skills that can be used in virtually any committee. If I'm a lawyer, my skills as a lawyer can be used in any committee. If I'm an economist, my skill as an economist can be used in any committee, including the catering committee, because you can, inform people with catering issues. So, Mr. Speaker, this is fairly straightforward. With those few remarks, I beg to second.
Members on their feet, take your seats. Honorable members, I now propose the question at order number 9, which is that further to the resolution of the House of Wednesday, 5th March 2025, and Thursday, 6th March 2025, appointing members to various committees and pursuant to the provisions of Standing Orders 175, Order DK. And pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 175, this House further approves the appointment of the following members to the respective committees as specified hereunder. Departmental Committee on Blue Economy, Water and Irrigation, the Honorable Mwiruri Mudhama Stanley MP to replace the Honorable Chepkonyi Charity Kadhambe MP. B, the Honorable Dr. Osogo Bensuda Joyce Atieno MP to fill the slot previously held by the late Were Charles Ongondo. Departmental Committee on Labor, the Honorable Njoroge Mary Wamaua MP to replace the Honorable Chelule Liza Jepkorir MP. Departmental Committee on Regional Development, the Honorable Chelule Liza Jepkorir MP to replace the Honorable Otucho Mary Emasa MP. Departmental Committee on Tourism and Wildlife, the Honorable Sankaire Lea Sopiato MP to replace the Honorable Dr. Gishuki Edwin Mugo MP. Departmental Committee on Trade, Industry and Cooperatives, the Honorable Bwire John Okano MP to fill the slot previously held by the Honorable Ruku Geoffrey Kiringa. Constitution Implementation Oversight Committee, the Honorable Mbai Nimrod Mbithuka MP to replace the Honorable Karemba Eric Muchangi, CBS MP. Public Petitions Committee, the Honorable Karemba Eric Muchangi, CBS MP to replace the Honorable Kagesi Kibai or Ernest Ogesi MP. The Honorable Ndwiga Patrick Munene MP to replace the Honorable Mbai Nimrod Mbithuka MP. Committee on Implementation, the Honorable Chepkonyi Charity Kadhambe MP to replace the Honorable Mwiruri Mudhama Stanley MP. Diaspora Affairs and Migrant Workers Committee, the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro CBS MP to replace the Honorable Sankaire Lea Sopiato MP. Budget and Appropriations Committee, the Honorable Dr. Mugo Edwin Gishuki MP to replace the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro CBS MP. Committee on Powers and Privileges, the Honorable Maina Jen Njeri MP to replace the Honorable Bwire John Okano MP. The Honorable Ahmed Shakil Shabir CBS MP to replace the Honorable Oyo James Onyango MP. Committee on National Cohesion and Equal Opportunity, the Honorable Muratha Ann Wanjiku Mugo MP to replace the Honorable Maina Jen Njeri MP. The Honorable Orero Peter Ocheng MP to replace the slot previously held by the Honorable, the late Were Charles Ongondo. Decentralized Funds Accounts Committee, the Honorable Oyo James Onyango, MP, to replace the Honorable Dr. Osogo Bensuda Joyce Atieno, MP. Public Accounts Committee, the Honorable Otucho Mary Emas, MP, to fill the slot previously held by the Honorable Ruku Geoffrey Kariuki Kiringa. Committee of the Whole, sorry, we end there. Do I put the question? Yes. Members at the bar, take the nearest seats. Honorable members,